Hi, in front of me is Realme C21 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Realme device. You need to start by going into settings and scrolling down. Then you need to click on Fingerprint, Face and Password. Click on Set Lock Screen Password and wait 5 seconds. After that, click Continue. Now tap on Use a different password type and pick one of the locking methods. I will go with pattern. So now I have to draw it and repeat it. If you want to add your fingerprint, you can click on Add and follow the instructions. But I don't want to, so I will go with Cancel. And now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!